Earlier I showed you the farmer's market haul that I purchased today, and I wanted to share with you some meal prep that I did with the produce that I purchased. This is all for my Daniel fast for the week. You can check out my free Daniel fast meal plan in the description below. But here's what I did. So I prepared my Daniel fast smoothie with the spinach that I purchased. This has apples, dates, orange, spinach, and spinach, and almond butter. That's the other ingredient. Okay, and then this one is some chopped up celery. This is gonna go with the hummus platter with the flatbread that I eat every day for lunch. This is all just such a great way to get greens and vegetables into your diet. Okay, so this is some cabbage. I went ahead and shredded this. This is gonna go with some rice and beans and queso that I'm gonna have for dinner some of the nights. And I purchased some potatoes at the market, but I forgot I already had some. So I went ahead and boiled the ones that I already have. These are gonna be diced up and then sauteed with some veggies for some breakfasts and dinners. And then in here, I have some cauliflower that I washed and I just broke into little pieces. All I'm going to do for this is toss this with a little bit of olive oil and some cumin and pop this into my air fryer for about 10 minutes at 370 degrees. This is going to be a super delicious vegetable that I'm going to eat with the potatoes for some of the dinners. I also like to dip these in some vegan mayo too. Okay, and then these are all my awesome Pyrex containers. I really love using these for my big meal preps like this. So this is the broccoli that I purchased as well. This I'm going to do the same thing as the cauliflower, but I'm going to do with broccoli. I'm also going to use this broccoli maybe in some stir fries or just steamed, kind of depending on how I feel throughout the week. But this is ready to go for cooking. I don't have to do any chopping when it comes down to it. And I showed you the really delicious green garlic. This is baby garlic before it turns into a big head. I went ahead and chopped this into pieces of the bulbs, and then I chopped up some of the green. I'm going to saute this with the green parts with the potatoes. This I'm going to use as garlic in whatever I feel like using. Basically, this is just a really easy and delicious way to get garlic into my diet. This is just like a really kind of spicy, it's almost like an onion, but a garlic flavor. It's really delicious. These are really popular in springtime. Okay, and then in here I have the zucchini that I purchased. This is gonna be sauteed maybe with the potatoes, or it's gonna go with a tofu scramble that I'm gonna make later in the week. So I also have some of these starters that I need to plant this week. This is a tomato plant, and then this is some parsley. I'm really excited about those for the spring. So there's some of my Daniel Fast meal prep for the week from my farmer's market haul. I hope this inspired you to go do some farmer's market shopping and some meal prep. Check out my website, dailyfoods.com, for recipes for Daniel fasting, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be sharing a lot more videos, so I'll see you next time. Have a great week. Bye.